In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first GitHub Copilot space. By the end, you'll have Copilot set up on your account and ready to help you code faster and smarter. Start by opening your browser and going to github.com. On the homepage, look for the option to try GitHub Copilot. It's often highlighted near the top or featured prominently on the site. Click that to jump into the Copilot experience. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your GitHub credentials to continue. This ensures your subscription is linked to the right account and that Copilot can work across your repositories and tools. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Copilot sign-up flow. Next, select GitHub Copilot Pro. This plan gives you personal access to Copilot features across GitHub and supported editors, along with chat and in-IDE assistance. Click to proceed. You'll now choose your billing frequency. Pick monthly if you want flexibility, or annual if you prefer a single payment and potential savings. You can change this later in your billing settings if your needs evolve. Move on to the billing section. Enter your payment details carefully and make sure your billing address is accurate. When you see the country or region drop-down, choose the correct location so taxes and currency are applied properly. Small tip: if your address is auto-filled by your browser, double-check each line before saving. When everything looks right, click to save your billing information. You should see a brief confirmation that your details were stored successfully. Before you finalize, review the summary screen. This will show the amount you're being charged today and the date of your next billing cycle. Take a moment to confirm the plan, the billing cadence, and the account you're subscribing with, especially useful if you use multiple GitHub profiles. If it all checks out, confirm the purchase. That's it. Your Copilot space is now set up. From here, you can start using Copilot right on GitHub and in supported editors by signing in with the same account. If you're opening your editor for the first time after subscribing, make sure the Copilot extension is installed and that you're authenticated. Your subscription will unlock the Pro features automatically. A couple of closing tips. Keep a stable internet connection while completing checkout. Verify your country or region to avoid billing issues. And remember, you can manage or cancel your subscription anytime from your GitHub settings.